Come back on here, sir. Loving it, loving it. Loving it. Hey. Is he? Is he? Okay. I'm right here, okay. See? It follows you like no matter the slightest move you make, it's right there with you. So go get yourself one of this if you're a content creator. It is amazing. Movements and everything, it tracks it, it moves everything with it. It has intelligent tracking, just shoot, fits tripod, so you can put it on your tripod stand for higher movements, and it move along with you. Switch freely from horizontal to vertical. And you don't need no app. Cause mine, the first one I had needed app. Yeah, girl. This, beautiful. And then it comes with the charger. This is beautiful. I'm loving this for me. The appy, yes, TikTok.